Yes, hello everyone. Thank you so much for coming to this channel, my channel Faraj Abdul Majid, and thank you for supporting the channel, for following these tutorials. So today's tutorial is going to be about how to install or how to use Google Classroom using your mobile phone, how to download it, and basically how to add an account. Of course, we shall learn so much more about Google Classroom. What is Google Classroom? This is just a platform that is designed by Google that helps teachers to teach students, especially during this pandemic here in my country. Students are at home, there is lockdown. With Google Classroom, these teachers can easily put notes and then send assignments to the students. So let's begin. We shall start by opening our Play Store. Yes, that is if you don't have Google Classroom yet, you search for Google Classroom via the Play Store. If you're using an Android device, of course, if you're using an iPhone, it is different. You open the Apple Store. Here we open the Google Play Store. We have Google Classroom. Okay, since I've already installed it, it is telling me to open. But if you're installing it for the first time, you will see the word install. So you click on it or tap on it, and then the program will be installed. The next thing is to open Google Classroom. When you open, it's going to get started. Of course, when you tap on get started, it's going to ask for your email. Yes. So now we can see you can either use the emails that are already registered in your device, or you can add a new email. For instance, let me just use the existing email. I'm going to select one of these emails and then press OK. But if you have a different email for your child, you can say add account, and then you add the different email. So these are some of the classes that I have. Yes, after putting your email, if you have any classes that were added by your teachers, you will be seeing your classes on your screen just like that. That's basically how we can access our Google Classroom. Of course, if the class isn't added yet, maybe the teacher has sent you a class code. What you will do, you will come to this plus sign where you're seeing plus just below here. Let me show you a little bit. The plus sign, this plus sign here. When you click on it, just a minute. Yes, there is an option of create class or join class. So of course, if you're a teacher, you're going to say create class, but if you are a student, you will join class. That is if the teacher has sent you a class code. What you're going to do is you're going to press or tap the join class button just like that, and then you enter the class code that the teacher will send you right here. Yes, these are one of the alternatives. Of course, the teachers can as well send you the invitation to the class if they have your emails directly to your emails. Then you'll be able to access the class. If they send you the class code, this is the procedure. Let me just repeat once again. You will click on the plus button. If you don't have any class for the first time, of course you will not see what you're seeing on my screen. The screen will be blank and empty. So I'm going to press the plus button and then join a class as a student or a parent. I'm going to say join a class and then put the class code that the teacher sent me via WhatsApp or whatever kind of media communication or message that the teacher used. Yes, thanks so much for following our tutorial up to now. we shall get back more on tutorials about how to use Google Classroom using your phone and using your desktop. There's a lot to cover: how to do assignments, how to turn in your assignments, and a lot more. Please like the video and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks so much. See you next time.